mini vlog day. Come with me as I clean up my room slash business area room right over there. We're gonna clean that up. You're gonna spend the day with me as being off from my 9 to 5 job. My days off. Okay. So far I got everything off the floor. Last thing I need to get is these shoes, and that's it. Okay. I'm gonna prop y'all somewhere where y'all could actually see the whole 9 yards of what I'm doing. Alright. And I'll be back to show y'all how I clean my room. Alright, so now we're going to sweep the floor. Okay. So I started already sweeping. Getting everything about the floor. If you have carpet, I suggest you sweep everything instead of going ahead and vacuum. Just sweep. I have allergies as well, y'all, so excuse it. You get everything cut and raw here. All right. I'm just coming back to see what I need. So now I'm not finished. So let's see. All right, I'll be back when I have this room all swept, ready to vacuum, and after we vacuum, I'll be, yeah, y'all should know the rest. All right, we're on to vacuuming. This is why I said sweep first if you have carpet, because when I had turned on this vacuum, it made so much noise. It's like something was stuck in. Alright. In a vacuum. Let me be right back to put everything back where it needs to be, and I'll show y'all the finished results. Okay. I'm back. And we done got dressed, took a shower, and all smell good. With my new Mother's Day collection. Our new lotion. It smells so good. It reminds you of that Victoria's Secret perfume and lotion set that you never want to run out of. That's what it reminds you of. So now we're going to put all the stuff back. Okay? I did have stuff outside of the room. So That stuff will be coming back in first. And this stuff goes. I know you can't see much, but we're gonna be working over there. All right. I want to put the stuff that I don't use on the bottom here. And the stuff that I do use, somehow to the top. So, like this stuff right here. The stuff I use on top. It's my fan like here, like so. That's that. So that's that area. Any other areas y'all would not be able to see. Any other areas y'all would not be able to see me do because I'm working on the ground and all that stuff. So the stuff keep falling. I could work on this stuff below because it is still like that. Right here. Now the cords. Can y'all see me? Okay. Now the cords. I like to place all these cords to where I think, so I know I'm not gonna use on my other power bank. Place my other power bank in there like so. Then that one right there. All right. And the other cord. Yeah, I'm doing it. Like that. Or IG. I'm finding what cords like. What the hell? Alright. Let me get my Cricut. Okay. Let me get these other things. But it's not gonna stop me from doing what I'm doing. That's all I can say to it. All right. Now I'm gonna sit y'all to where it will allow me to show y'all. If it allow me. Like we having complications here. Can I set you right here? I swear, this thing will not sit on no ground levels. It looks like it's not sitting on there either. How about here? Here. Good Lord. If y'all have any good other tripods, please let me know, because I'm willing to get a new one. I'm willing to get a traveling one and a home one, because this baby going to rest, because I'm over it. I'm over it. Do not want to stand on this carpet. Do not want. I'm mostly gonna be redoing because I did blow my nose a lot. I am gonna be redoing my lotions. What lotion was this? What's this thing? Okay, I know what lotion it was. I'm gonna be redoing these two. And then I'm gonna be doing logos, and that's the logos for them, and that's probably it of my day. If I do decide to record that, I'll let y'all know. Yeah. So if I didn't do my intro or my outro, here goes my intro. This is Kiki, owner of Self-Care Apparel, and we're back with another video. Okay. And then here go the outro. If y'all like what y'all see, please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll be back with another video. Bye. Hi guys, and we're back. Let me tell y'all something. I just came from like these little things. I said things. These little shopping things outside of the mall. And the lady was asking me about my face and all. You know, normally when you go to them, they ask you for like money to help their business and whatnot. And this one was a skincare business. Okay? Skincare business. I'm a skincare business. But just not with the face. She pressed me so badly, so much about buying her products. And even she wanted me to sponsor her product. Matter of fact, oh, this is cute. I wouldn't be myself if I were. Oh my God, it's cute. Oh, Hello Kitty, you gonna have me broke on me? Yeah, Hello Kitty about having me broke. But she just would not take no for an answer. Like, ma'am, I don't have the funds to buy your products. And on top of that, you want me to promote your products. Ma'am, I'm not promoting. I mean, I'm not going to say I'm not promoting. But it's just like, ma'am, you want me to promote your products. Didn't give me your business card. Kept lowering your prices because I just didn't want to pay. I didn't come in here to pay. I came in here to just get food. But yeah, I'll be back. I'll be back, y'all. I got food. I got Chinese. I took some pictures, little things over there that you see in the back of me. And yeah, we're about to go home, y'all. I did say I was gonna come back and record anything I do outside of my off days from my 9 to 5. So I had to come out. I had to come out and check on my PC. You're welcome. You're welcome. Had to open up the door for everyone, you know. But yeah, I had to come and check on my PC from Best Buy. I got my phone fixed. My iPhone 11 got it fixed, y'all. Yeah, I just had to come out today and get some fresh air. So I'm about to go home, eat my food, edit this for y'all and upload it on YouTube. So y'all been getting nothing but videos from me. Bit. Because your girl is serious about this. So yeah, y'all want to see more videos from me like this, just like, comment, subscribe, and I'll be back on another video. Bye.